In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a document from OneDrive in Microsoft Word. Microsoft OneDrive is a cloud storage service that allows you to save your files online so they can be accessed from different devices anytime you need them. When your documents are stored in OneDrive, you can easily open and edit them directly in Microsoft Word without needing to manually download or transfer files. This is especially useful when working across multiple computers or collaborating with others. To begin, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once the program launches, you will usually see the Word Start screen. This screen provides quick access to recently opened files, templates, and different options for creating or opening documents. Since the file you want is stored online, you will need to access your OneDrive storage through Word. Look for the option labeled Open on the left side of the screen. Clicking this will display several locations where your documents may be stored. Among these options, you should see OneDrive listed as a storage location connected to your Microsoft account. Select OneDrive to view the files saved in your cloud storage. After selecting OneDrive, Word will display the folders and documents that are currently stored in your account. Take a moment to browse through the folders until you locate the document you want to open. If your files are organized into folders, simply open the appropriate folder and continue navigating until you find the correct file. Once you find the document, click on its name. Microsoft Word will automatically open the file directly from OneDrive. Because the document is stored in the cloud, any changes you make will usually be saved automatically. This feature helps prevent accidental data loss and ensures that your most recent edits are always available. If you frequently work with cloud-based documents, keeping your files organized in OneDrive folders can make them much easier to locate later. It also allows you to quickly access your work from other devices, such as another computer or even a mobile device, as long as you are signed in to the same Microsoft account. Using OneDrive with Microsoft Word is a convenient way to manage and access your documents. It allows you to work from virtually anywhere while keeping your files safely stored online and automatically synchronized. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.